My clients and friends will laugh as I am a huge advocate of 55 and over communities here in Reno. And this home has an awesome backstory. It is located in the Regency at Damonte Ranch, an active lifestyle 55 and over community. And this home was used as the guest house for Toll Brothers, the builder, to actually have buyers come in and stay, see if they like the community for a few nights before deciding if they wanted to buy another property. My sellers are now reselling the home fully furnished and with all of these design upgrade features with this in mind of it being the guest home. Welcome to 9940 Burnborough. This one speaks for itself. Let's have a look.